I've got a bit of an obsession which turned in $100 into as much as possible. And I think $100 is the best investment in your own business. Wondering where to get easy financing for business, cryptocurrency, Amazon, and real estate investments, etc. Today, I wanted to do something a little different and introduce a time limit. So all the money-making ideas I'm going to be discussing with you today should be able to turn $100 into $10,000 in 1 month. Subscribe to this channel if you're ready to begin working towards earning $10,000. Come along on this interesting trip with us as we explore strategies and discoveries that can help you reach your goal of $10,000 milestone. Join us on this transforming journey by subscribing now. If it was really that easy, everyone would be doing it. I'm not telling a lie, this will be hard, but the rewards are definitely worth the grind. But seriously guys, I've always believed that getting rich is entirely possible. However, getting rich easily just doesn't really exist. If you want to become a rich in your life, so just focused on your goal, and after that, definitely one day you become a rich in this world. So I'm just starting with the least risky ideas and work my way up to the riskiest ones. With all these people starting online businesses, you may think that the competition is gonna be sky high. And yes, of course, it's harder. Just think about it. Everyone is talking about e-commerce and drop shipping, but far less are actually selling quality digital products, which have the benefit of never running out stock and no shipping costs, as it's all done over the internet. Within a couple of days and no more than $100 invested, the templates were designed and now she sells $10,000 worth every month. So you could use your $100 to buy some products and stock shares, etc. Or you could even pay someone on platforms like Fiverr to do the work for you. Then you could list them on websites like Etsy and start making some sales. I feel like I have given the e-learning market a bad name. However, it's expected to exceed $325 billion by 2025, and we have a yearly growth of 5%. You have knowledge worth sharing, and we can help you do it. If you've ever considered creating an online course, you've come to the right place. In 30 days, you're going to outline your course, create your first lecture, and learn how to sell, all with expert, step-by-step guidance from our team. Creating physical products. Let's now talk about buying materials to create physical products. I'm putting creating your own products as number 4 on the risk scale. It does require you to have some creative skills and also the ability to do some proper market research to make sure people want your product in the first place. But with that said, by making your own products, you can generate much more money than reselling as you're only paying for the materials. This means you have a much higher chance of securing that $1,000 profit per day. When I was younger, I used to build literally hundreds of radio control cars. I was friends with the model shop owner, and I noticed that many customers didn't want to build their own cars from scratch, as all they wanted to do though was race them around. So after identifying this demand, I decided to buy the materials and charge a minimum of $30 for my time. It took me 2 hours to complete each model, so in 24 hours I could make $360. But that was way back in the 1980s, so you could definitely charge more for your time now and possibly hit that $1,000 mark. This could apply to so many areas, and all you need to do is promote yourself online, be it building model cars, making arts and crafts, or you building furniture. Crypto trading. Now that takes me back to my carpenter days, that's for sure. Now let's get into crypto trading. I'm putting crypto trade in at number 5 on our risk scale because it's such a new investment, which means certain coins can be extremely volatile. Sometimes even shooting up over 100% within a few days, of course, is very excited. But it also means the opposite is true, and you could end up losing all of your money. You may be wondering why I've skipped investing in stocks and dived straight into crypto. The truth is, it's just not very common to make $1,000 from $100 investment in the stock market over a 24-hour period. Of course, it's possible with certain penny stocks and short squeezes like the GameStop situation, but these are often hard to spot. Because of the juicy returns from crypto, I've actually noticed that a decline in the amount of people interested in the stock market, especially from the younger generation. Where most people think about crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum come to mind. I personally invest in these long-term as I see them as blue-chip crypto. However, if your aim is to turn $100 into $10,000, then those kinds of returns are more realistic with altcoins. An altcoin, or otherwise known as alternative coin, is any crypto that isn't Bitcoin. But I personally think Ethereum has also outgrown this title. My assistant's friend has been traded in an altcoin called Luna, which is a decentralized currency and has generated well over $10,000 in profits from $100 investment. Shiba Inu also made a lot of people rich. However, these coins dump pretty fast, so it's all about knowing when to get out. This may sound like it contradicts what I always say about never time in the market, but I really don't think that this applies to crypto or coins, as some of them pump once and never reach the same all-time highs again. It's extremely risky and takes a lot of knowledge as well as research. If you want to earn $10,000 in crypto trading so you have more knowledge about the candle and you make $10,000 every month. Firstly, you invest the $100 in crypto trade market. First, you take class in YouTube or different type of website. After that, you will be to invest in crypto market and you make easily $10,000 every month. NFT flipping. Now for NFT flipping, otherwise known as non-fungible tokens. I'm putting this as number 6 on the risk scale. Yeah, that's how old I am. It seems that recently, YouTube celebrities have been going crazy about buying these JPEG images for extortionate prices and then flipping them for even more. It does seem like when we were at the dawn of the internet, there are lots of projects out there and most of them are probably trash. But if you can weed out the good ones, then you could be onto a winner. One of my son's friends was telling me the other day that he purchased an NFT for $1,000 and now it's worth over $20,000. If that's not a great return, then I don't know what is. This is an area I've yet to venture into. However, I struggle with the huge valuations and who will buy an NFT from me. It's a bit like art. I might take the approach I did when I was young and I was selling pre-owned cars. Back then, I would only buy a car that I would like to drive or own. I did this for 2 reasons. The first was my assumption that if I liked it, then someone else would as well. And the second was, if no one wanted to buy it, then I'll be happy to keep it as my personal car. So I just need an NFT that speaks to me. Buying NFTs is really popular on platforms like OpenSea, and I've also heard that Coinbase are about to enter the NFT space. So it can be a good time to do some further research before jumping in. If you want to know how I invest my money in stocks, ETFs, and index funds, gain access to educational materials, and the world's greatest community of investors to help you invest better. If you want to earn $10,000 every month, so just keep focused on your goal, don't leave the hard work and consistency. When you're not focused on your goal, then you don't make money online. Every online business required hardworking and consistency. If you want more related news about this, so firstly, subscribe this channel and turn on notification. After that, you can easily receive my notification every time.